Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn with Yashika. Today is day 2 of our 5 sentences a day series, जहाँ पर आप कुछ एडवांसेस प्रोफेशनल सेंटेंसेस सीख रहे हो जो आपके इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग में कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाएंगे. आज के 5 sentences are perfect for social situations like meeting people, chatting casually, or responding someone politely. Sentence 1. It's been a while. Repeat after me. It's been a while. मतलब जब आप किसी से लंबे समय के बाद मिलते हो या बात करते हो. For example, hey, it's been a while, hasn't it? How have you been? It's better than speaking long time no see. Sentence 2. I have heard a lot about you. Repeat after me. I have heard a lot about you. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब आप किसी इंसान से मिलते हो और उसके बारे में आपने पहले से किसी और के मुंह से सुना हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ओह यू आर रिया, आई हैव हर्ड अ लॉट अबाउट यू. This sentence is great for starting conversation with someone. Sentence 3. You can count on me. Repeat after me. You can count on me. मतलब जब आप किसी पर्सन को assurance देते हो that you are there for them. For example, don't worry about the event. You can count on me. Sounds warm and more dependable. Sentence 4. That's a great point. Repeat after me. That's a great point. मतलब जब आप किसी की बात से एग्री करते हो या फिर किसी के ओपिनियन को अप्रिशिएट करते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दैट्स अ ग्रेट पॉइंट, आई हैवंट थॉट ऑफ इट दैट वे. Very common in smart discussions and group talks. Sentence 5. Let me know if I can help you. Repeat after me. Let me know if I can help you. मतलब जब आप किसी को अपनी हेल्प ऑफर करते हो in kind and polite way. For example, I know you are stressed. Let me know if I can help you in any way. Sounds more helpful and thoughtful. Let's quickly recap all the 5 sentences we have learned today. First, it's been a while. Second, I have heard a lot about you. Third, you can count on me. Fourth, that's a great point. Fifth, let me know if I can help you. Okay, here's a mini challenge for you today. Pick one of these sentences and use it in reality while texting. And come back and tell me which one did you use. If you found today's video helpful, make sure you like, share, and comment your favorite sentence below. Tomorrow, I'll be back with day 3, 5 sentences for professional English which you can use at work or interviews. Until then, stay confident and keep speaking.